Where's Money? Where's Money? Doon na ako. Tara sa taliwa.
Little steps A and B. Your ballet teachers with Miss Venus Basa.
performers, please. And our teachers.
Down kamay ma.
Thank you. This always happens. They're more interested in the confetti. And thank you everyone. You've been a wonderful audience. Thank you for supporting all of us and all the dreams of these girls. I'd just like to say this one was a tough one to the stage. Teacher Mara and I have had countless nights not getting enough sleep. We were so worried, but we're so happy how the girls turned up today. So, well done everyone. Bravo! Good job! Good job, good job. I'd like to thank, of course, Teacher Mara, who's been beside me all this. You know, she used to be in my Little Steps class. So she grew up with me and now she's teaching and she's been helping me. Same with Teacher Cheska. Started with me when she was 6 years old. So maybe one day, one of you will become a teacher. By that time, I'm retired na. But again, thank you, Teacher Mara, Teacher Marella. Teacher Marella is in charge of all these little ones. And Teacher Frances, thank you so much. I cannot do what she does with the little ones. Hats off to her. You know, there's two teachers that are not here today. Teacher Gia, who did our contemporary dance pieces, because she and Teacher Jemima, who also teaches the advanced ballet, they have a performance. They're with Ballet Philippines and they have a show right at while we're dancing, they're having a performance. So they couldn't join us, but they did a wonderful job. Our angels, Ate Chill, Ate Chilin, and Irene, who's the backbone of the studio. Take a bow. Say hi. Thank you. They have been helping us, especially with the little ones. Thank you, thank you. The production crew. Thank you. Our stage manager, Rob, Andre, Mike, thank you, and the RCBC crew. Thank you so much. It's always so easy to work with you. The Elite. I'm sure some of you are wondering how come the Elite did not perform today. Because, okay, Teacher Marella, your turn. The Elite is just about to compete in 3 weeks time. So that's on May 1. May 1 and 2, they're competing. So they weren't able to perform tonight. So that's why we just did the recital and the ballet examination. The ballet examination, well done. We're waiting for results. And hopefully, all good grades because they did wonderful also in the exams. You know, we're so proud of the Elite team because they bring honor to our school. But the adult ballet told me they will form a team, Delete team. So, Elite, watch out for the Delete team. So, they made their own team. I'm so proud of you, the adult ballet.